tap vote nakabanta ke election shiteng samai nakabanta ka Raja Bala Mauring Keneng bat Mau Plang constituency Kalalong kabaya ibe yerenti bat kajingwan kinong tap vote hakini gilai teli ki constituency kalakot shaka prapo nakashispa yakania layatu da chief electoral officer ba FR Kharkongor ba Kharkongor layatu Haraja Bala constituency kade ka wen di constituency kapadan bon teli ki jaka kibaya kun election
print as well as the electronic media. I have with me the additional CEO, Mr. Mawlong, Mr. Reddy is the police nodal officer, and my team from the office of the CEO. So today, the polls in the three constituencies of Mauring Keneng, Mau Plang, and Rajabala have been conducted smoothly. Of course, we still are, awaiting the full reports from a few of the polling stations, but as per the 5 p.m. report, the polling percentage stands at 74.69 for Mauring Keneng, 75.97 for Mau Plang, and 90.63 for Rajabala. Of course, we are still waiting for the information from a few of the polling stations in East Khasi Hills district. I'm covering both. Covering both Mau Plang as well as Mauring Keneng. During the polls, we saw a good and enthusiastic participation from both the senior citizens, the middle-aged, and also the first-time voters. In fact, some of the first-time voters also received the first time voter certificates, and also we'd like to share with you that the COVID-19 arrangements were also in place in all the polling stations. We had the nodal health workers, and also there was use of all the various COVID-19 accessories like hand gloves, like those disposable gloves to press the EVM, as well as sanitizers outside the polling stations, and also thermal scanner, and also to a large extent social distancing was also maintained to a large extent. Coming to the machines, we had very negligible malfunction. Only 6 VVPATs had to be changed, 3 in East Khasi Hills district and 3 in Rajabala. So 2 in Mau Plang and 1 in Mauring Keneng. So almost rate of machine malfunction this time, and this time we have used the M3 variety of the EVMs, and the machines that were changed also and that were malfunctioning were the VVPATs and not the CU and the BU. Wherever there was a malfunction, the quick response team was there to get those machines changed. Apart from that, we are now getting ready for the counting once all the polling stations come back, once we get the final figures. And I would like to inform you that there were total 168 polling stations that went into the polls today, and with an electorate of about 1,02,695. So we are expecting that the polling percentage will go up because these are only the 5 p.m. figures. We are expecting that the polling percentage will go up once we get the final figures from about less than 20 polling stations. So once we get these final figures, I'm sure that the polling percentages will also go up. So this in brief is the overall report of the polling that was held today. So